You may remember that one of the characteristics shared by all living things is respiration. Respiration is a series of chemical reactions that happens inside every living cell. The kind of respiration that usually happens inside our cells is called aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration uses oxygen. The cells produce carbon dioxide as a waste product. The air around you contains oxygen. When you breathe, you take air into your lungs. Some of the oxygen from the air goes into your blood. The blood delivers the oxygen to every cell in the body so that the cells can use it for respiration. The blood collects the waste carbon dioxide from the cells and takes it back to the lungs. The organs that help you to take oxygen out of the air and get rid of carbon dioxide make up the respiratory system. The structure of the human respiratory system. This is a diagram of the human respiratory system. The white spaces in this diagram are the tubes that air moves through as it goes into and out of your lungs. Air gets into your body through your mouth or nose. Your mouth and nose both connect to your trachea. The trachea is sometimes called the windpipe. It has strong rings of cartilage around it. These rings of cartilage keep the trachea open and prevent it collapsing so that air can be kept moving in and out of your body. If you put your fingers on the front of your neck and move them downwards, you can feel the rings of cartilage on your trachea. The trachea branches into two bronchi, singular, bronchus. The bronchi also have cartilage to support them. One bronchus goes to each lung. Each bronchus carries air deep into the lungs. Each bronchus divides into several smaller tubes called bronchioles. The structure of these branches allow the air to reach deeper into the lungs. The bronchioles end by branching into many tiny structures called air sacs. This is where the oxygen goes into the blood, and the carbon dioxide comes out.